Ayon sa datos, ang Dilanchawan National High School ang pinakamataas na rate ng suicide. Ilang mag-aaral ng Dilanchawan National High School ang sunod-sunod na nagpakamatay dahilan ng stress, depresyon at anxiety.
And in Binagsawa National High School, it shows there na kung ang school community ay nakaranas ng theft by suicide, there is a heightened risk po na it may contribute to further suicidal ideation or suicide. So it's really important na ang school staff natin ay equipped na na-identify kung sino-sino yung mga affected and vulnerable na estudyante o yung tinatawag natin at risk.
I personally deem the innovation so purposeful. In fact, the North and South districts have been employing the said innovation and considered it beneficial. Apparently, the psychological health promotion and intervention approaches have been found effective, which was implemented at Inajawa National High School. since school year 2021-2022. To present, I therefore recommend this innovation to the nearby schools to widen its benefits across neighboring districts. Again, congratulations.